Welcome back, my dear student. So, if you're here, it's because you want to, one of the reasons could be because you want to learn how to, display this up here. Another reason is you already know how to do this, but you just like to listen to me, and that's pretty cool. And I agree with you. I like to hear myself sometimes, all right? Another reason could be just because you're curious to see how I do it. Whatever your reason is, let's do it. All right, so let's go ahead. All right, so I told you that you can put this in a session here, and this is the way I would do it, right? So I would grab all this code right here, and I would just cut it out of here. We don't need it here, right? So we can just go to functions. If I can remember where I put it right here, that would be nice. And we can just put a function here and call it users online. That's a cool name for a function, don't you think? And we just put all that code in there like that. Perfect, right? And here, we don't have to set any sessions or anything. We can just return, all right, like this. Return the count user, all right? Beautiful. So now, everywhere you want to use this function here, you can go, let's say, admin navigation, and right here on home side, right below, right before home side, right here, we can call that function. So I'm just going to put a li here. Oops. Like that. And I'm just going to say users online. Let's just do it with a lowercase. Users online. There we go. Colon, some PHP. Oh. Echo, users online. All right. And now if we go back here and we say enter. Oops. Okay, I see what it is. I forgot to get my connection there. All right, don't forget that. Global connection. There we go. Enter. Now you can see that our function is working really cool, right? So let's go back to index and let's just make sure that we take that out of there and save it. Come back here. And also take this out of here. There we go. On index. Let's come back here. Enter. All right, perfect. So now let's go back to Firefox. I'm gonna refresh on Firefox, and now you can see that it's counting. It's counting. All right, let's go to Safari in my end, and I'm gonna refresh in Safari. I'm gonna refresh here, and now you can see that it's actually counting the users. This is a pretty cool function, don't you think? And one of the best things is that you can actually change the color of this link here, and just let everybody know how many users are online at one point of time. Another great thing about this is that you can come here to your users online and look at your structure here, and you can do all the modifications here, make this a lot better than what it is right now. All right, you are keeping track of the users that you have, all right, and at the same time you are the amount of users that you got, the number of users, and the time there are in your system. So now you can be creative here and do other things with it, all right, with this information. So anyway, hopefully this information will help you create better applications, and it was a really good pleasure for me to create this for you and show you how to do this. Thank you so much for all your reviews and all your great messages that you send me over emails and in the discussion boards. You're awesome, and I'll see you in the next lectures.